Now available on Tata Sky channel number 526.
Now, if you need any reason why the sector desperately needs a regulator, take a look at our next story. In Gurgaon, home buyers had to resort to a hunger strike to get the attention of Unitech's top honchos. This comes after a series of protests and meetings that these buyers had with the management of one of the country's top listed real estate companies. The home buyers had booked flats in Unitech's Gurgaon project, exquisite high-rise apartments in 2010, and were promised delivery in 2013. Almost 6 years later, home buyers allege that construction is still in its nascent stages. They called off the hunger strike after Sanjay Chandra, managing director of Unitech, came out and met with them. The managing director and CRM of Unitech have reassured protesters that work will begin soon and home buyers can take the possession of their flats. Moving on, the environment has gotten the short shrift and the Art of Living's controversial 3-day World Culture Festival gets a green signal from the National Green Tribunal. However, organisers will have to pay up a measly 5 crore rupee fine. The Art of Living Foundation will also have to develop the entire area as a biodiversity zone. Our correspondent Deepa Rana, who has been tracking this entire story, gets us this report.
The National Green Tribunal today allowed permission to the Art of Living Foundation, led by Sri Ravi Shankar, to conduct their World Cultural Festival from 11 to 13th March. Though the NGT did pull up Ministry of Environment and Forest and their DPCC for not allowing or refusing permission to the Art of Living Foundation, it has also fined rupees 1 lakh to DPCC, and the NGT has also pulled up DDA and fined rupees 5 lakhs to DDA in order because the DDA did not conduct any sort of inspection after allowing permission to the Art of Living Foundation. In fact, the NGT has also pulled up the Art of Living Foundation and has fined rupees 5 crores to Art of Living Foundation, and it has said that that the Art of Living Foundation has caused damage to the Yamuna River and it is responsible for restoring this damage. Therefore, after the event, the Art of Living Foundation is going to restore the entire area and convert it into a biodiversity park. Now, this is an order which the NGT has given today in the Art of Living Foundation case.
Now, after the verdict was announced, Deepa caught up with the petitioner, Manoj Mishra, and asked him about the NGT's order and if the fine imposed would be enough to fix the damage done to the river. Take a look.
It's a court judgment. We welcome it in a sense because the fact remains that every government agency has been defaulted by NGT. DDA has been fined 5 lakhs. Which DDA means Government of India has been fined 5 lakhs. DPCC, which is Government of Delhi, has been fined 1 lakh. So everybody has been found to have defaulted in their roles. So we have won. We have actually won. But at the same time, the NGT has defaulted us. NGT has said you came late to us. And so a fait accompli situation developed. Now it is a matter of introspection for us, that whether we defaulted and how did we default, and in future if there is a requirement, then what is the right time for us to go to the court. This is so it's a message that has gone out to everybody concerned. But we request, because Government of India has been indicted, we request the head of Government of India to please dissociate himself from this event. Because Government of Delhi has been indicted, we request the head of the Delhi government to dissociate himself from this event. And the head of the Delhi government is Chief Minister as well as the Lieutenant Governor.
Now, Deepa also caught up with Saraswati Akshama Nath, the advocate for the Art of Living Foundation, and spoke to her about the NGT's nod towards continuing the event, the foundation's plans to restore the area, and the fine imposed. Listen in.
We are very, very relieved and very thankful that the very essence of the festival that has been taken into sight before the court, the Honorable Tribunal, has allowed us a green signal to go ahead with the festival.
Ma'am, there were questions about the stage, that the stage is unstable and then another stage is going to be built for the Prime Minister. Are you going to plan any another stage for the Prime Minister?
No, there was no question. There was just a loose remark being made by the consul for the Delhi government, and he was immediately reprimanded by the court, because the fact is that you just can't make a loose comment like that. The fact is that no other stage, we already the construction or the magnitude of the stage is in so much controversy. The fact is that we have got 16 important people coming in there, and we don't want to lose the very essence of the festival.
Okay. Ma'am, how are you going to make sure that the entire area is restored in time, and what about the fine that has been imposed on you?
See, as far as restoration is goes, please understand that we've already done major cleaning. We have been always saying from day one that we have cleared almost construction debris from 25 acres of land over there. So that area is now ready, in fact, for a green lung, because it was really very dirty next to the DND. We have to definitely honor the tribunal's verdict today, and we'll be depositing that fine under protest. And the next step, because the fine is a presumption that there has been a violation, possibly taking the expert committee report into consideration, and we'll be actually going in appeal against that, because that is definitely not.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.